Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm excited to share with you 3 cards that I made using the Not Too Shabby Stamp and Die of the Month for September 2022, along with several paper pads from Not Too Shabby and some This Calls for Confetti. I also used the September 2022 sketch of the month for all of my cards because it's a super fun mini slimline sketch, and once I started I just couldn't stop. I also want to mention that this is a little collab with some of my design team sisters from Not Too Shabby. In the description box and in my title is a hashtag. If you click on that, it should bring up everybody's videos that's in this little collab. We just wanted to give some extra love to these fun turkeys because they are just so adorable. Everything will be linked in the description box as to what is still available at the Not Too Shabby shop. Some of it is sold out, but maybe you already got it and it'll give you some inspiration or give you some inspiration for things that you already have. So on to what I used for my cards. Again, I used the September 2022 Stamp and Die of the Month, which is Turkey Day. These turkeys are super fun and adorable. Just lots and lots of possibilities with them. And I love the dies. They cut out the sentiments and everything. I did use 2 different kinds of This Calls for Confetti. I used Pirate Gold and Orange Platinum. And then I used the Dots for Fall paper pad, which is part of the September 2022 Paper Pad Club. And then I used the Give Thanks and Autumn Vibes paper pads. Both of these were from the September 2022 Box of the Month. They are both, I believe, unfortunately sold out. And on to my cards. I will put a picture of that sketch up now so you can see what it looks like. And then here's my cards. The first one has that little turkey holding the pumpkin. Use that This Calls for Confetti. And this used the Dots for Fall paper pad. And in the inside I did Give Thanks, and I have a leaf and that little acorn. That one. Next up I have this one. This one uses the Autumn Vibes paper pad. Use some of those leaves and that fun paper. And then it says Happy Turkey Day. I am loving stamping the turkey in the corner, just kind of like speaking out. There's that one. And then my last card uses the Give Thanks paper pad. I thought it was kind of neat with the pumpkin and to have those pumpkins in the back. And this guy's sleeping. He's getting ready for his Turkey Day feast, or maybe he already had it. And then on the inside is Give Thanks. So there's also some more of that This Calls for Confetti, if you can see it in the light. So there are my 3 cards that I wanted to share today. Again, this stamp set is just so cute. I don't really think I have that many stamps in my stamp set that are specifically for Thanksgiving and that are so cute and fun. So it was a definite fun addition to my stamp collection, and I can see using these turkeys over and over. And I also kind of feel that maybe they could be used for more than just Thanksgiving. I don't know if you have seen my rainbow of sheep. I'll link that below if I remember. But I'm thinking that I might have to do maybe a rainbow of turkeys sometimes with this little guy that's not holding the pumpkin or not sleeping. This little guy would be fun. Anyways, my mind's in overdrive. Have lots of ideas. Again, everything will be linked below. Click on the hashtag to see everybody else's projects. And I hope that you will try the Not Too Shabby sketch for the month because it's a super fun one. And until my next video, have an amazing day.